In this video, I will explain the fourth study method at the BEnglish platform, which is the individual and group live lessons. Click on the live courses icon. You will see two methods. The first is individual lessons with our teachers. You can get to know the teacher by clicking here and learn about their qualifications and the price for a single session with them. Click on the Schedule an Appointment button and check the scheduled sessions. This list will show you the available times with the teacher, which will be highlighted in this color. If you do not find any scheduled times, it means that the available sessions have been booked. When booking, write the desired notes here, then click on the Book Now button. The request will be sent to the teacher. The platform team will send you a notification and an email if the session is accepted or rejected. From here, you can view the session details, and you can also send a message to the teacher. The second method we offer in Live English is group live courses with a limited number of students not exceeding 10. From here, you can learn about the type of course, remote training, training room, or blended. Click on the course you wish to attend, read its description, then move to the registration button. Choose the date and time that suits you. Then click on the Purchase button. This will clarify the link to attend the course here. We must inform you that if our sessions run out at the specified times, this message will appear to you.